Mrs. Fisher. Hi, I'm Michelle Jean-Pierre, the principal here at Puzzlebox Academy.
I appreciate you taking the time to see me.
Of course. Let's get started. Puzzlebox Academy was established by our CEO and founder, who has a son with autism. She wanted a place where students and parents wouldn't have to deal with the barriers and obstacles that can often be encountered in the public school system. In fact, her child was a Puzzlebox Academy student that went from nonverbal communication to excelling and making the honor roll.
Wow, that's really amazing. So the curriculum's effective.
Seeing is believing. Let's take a look. We are a group instruction model with a 5-to-1 average teacher to student ratio, and that does include teachers' aides. We group our students homogeneously, which means they're placed in the classroom based on their curriculum level and not the chronological grade level.
That's a big plus for me. OMG, that is a lot of data.
It is. We love being able to show the academic progress that our students make every day. We utilize the Morningside model of generative instruction here, which is our teaching methodology, and with our McGraw-Hill curriculum. And we will definitely talk about this a little bit more with our academic program specialist and assistant principal.
Wonderful.
Our goal is to help students catch up by filling any academic deficiencies they may have, build on that, and get ahead so they are able to mainstream into public or private school. But of course, students always have a home here with us at Puzzlebox Academy. I'd like to share some of our commonly used classroom accommodations with you. We have visual schedules, manipulatives, preferential seating, frequent breaks, positive reinforcement, and activity-based learning, just to name a few. We're approaching our Pizza Planet classroom, and the students in this classroom are in the advanced curriculum, 5th to 8th grade.
It is amazing to see the progress. So I was wondering, with all of these wonderful models, what kind of accreditation does the school have?
We are an accredited elementary school with the National Council of Accreditation in Florida.
Wonderful.
It is.
So what about transportation?
We do offer transportation. We have a bus pickup at our Rockledge location that brings children here to school daily.
And what about therapies? How does my child get those, like ABA?
We actually have a clinical partnership with Kaleidoscope Interventions that are here in this building. We offer ABA therapy services after core academics, and we're going to learn more about that right now.
Fantastic. Thanks again, Michelle. Hello.
So now that you've had your tour, you will leave here with a registration packet. The next step in the admissions process is to turn in that registration packet. We will then go ahead and set up a date for you to come in for the academic and behavioral assessment. From there, we will meet again to go over the results and let you know the placement of your child. Normally, we would go ahead and schedule a shadow day for your child in the classroom that we think that they'll be best in, but with COVID going on right now, we have a 45-day probationary period. We do also accept scholarships such as McKay, Gardner, and Florida Tax Credit Scholarship, and then we can talk on an individualized basis about your insurance and what benefits you may have.
Here at Puzzlebox Academy, we have adopted the Morningside model of generative instruction. This uses precision teaching, which is once the student is accurate in a skill, we bring them to fluency, which will help maintain those skills over time. We also use direct instruction for our delivery of our instruction, which is choral responding.
At your child's academic assessment, we will assess your child, which allows us to homogeneously group our children based on the child's individual needs. Throughout the year, we do progress monitoring, which also allows us to move your child up and down the curriculum ladder as needed.
We also provide behavioral services to some of our students here. We have registered behavior technicians, board-certified behavior analysts, and board-certified assistant behavior analysts that are on staff. We provide services from 2 to 4, or even pushing into the classroom.
Well, thank you all very much for your time. I really appreciate the information, and you've made my decision a lot easier.
Great. Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you so much.
Mrs. Fisher, it was great having you come in for a tour today. I have this packet of information for you. Please reach out if you have any questions at all.
Thank you, I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. And I hope you have a wonderful day and that we hear from you soon.
If you would like more information or would like to schedule a tour for you and your family, please contact us at info@puzzleboxacademy.com or call us at 321-345-0861. And don't forget to check us out on Instagram and Facebook.